Welcome back to part 7 of the Asia-Alaska adventure. Today is September 21st, I believe. Sorry, September 22nd here in Japan. And we're on our way to the train to go see some cool stuff that's south of here. So let's go do that. Adventure if you can. So I've been walking for a hot minute here, and I'm walking towards this super cool tower. I don't know if it's going to be open because I saw that there was high wind today and it might be closed. But anyway, we get what we do. So let's keep going. Everybody knows how much I love heights. 111 meters. We're going. I was sweating, that was so high, but it did it. So just like in other stories I've told you, face your fears. Do it afraid. Just like Curry Lake, like jump at Curry Lake. It's fantastic. All right, I'm glad I'm going back down. Let's go see what's next. Some show here in the park. No clue. Things you happen to run into when you just travel everywhere. Check this thing out. That's cool. First hanging monorail ride. That was pretty cool. So I didn't even know they had that here. All right, I'm starving. Let's go find some food. Burger King too. That was good. Let's go find dessert. I'm still searching for dessert. So apparently most of the dessert shops close around 8, and it's about 9:30 here. So maybe I wasn't supposed to have dessert. Let's walk back. It's bedtime for sure. What a day! That tower was really cool. I'm glad that I went down there and faced my fear and did that, even though I was shaking a little bit. But you know, definitely, again, I just want to say, face your fears, do the hard thing. And I'm totally going to sleep, so good night. That was some really good sleep. I needed that. It's Monday, September 23rd. Let's go get some dinner and some work. All right, this is just a totally random thing to see. An advertisement for Sedona Acupuncture Chiropractor. Many thousands of miles from Sedona. this is a cool find. Just wandering around this town. I got off the subway at. I have no idea what this is called, but apparently it's really old. This place is super cool for me, just seriously just finding it on the side of some random street. When I left just a little while ago to come out to find some food, I had no idea I was going to find something this cool. Not far away, man. I think I've been gone like maybe like an hour. That's awesome. Let's keep looking around. And I totally can't pronounce that, but I wanted you guys to see where this is because it's awesome. That was very, very cool. Glad I found that just randomly. Just walking looking for food. Now I'm hungry, so let's really go find some food now. That was pretty good, but I was definitely saying pricey spaghetti. Let's go find dessert. Missed that window. Nothing was left. What a long day and awesomeness. Let's have a donut. All right, it's September 25th, and I picked a new place for us to stay, so let's go check that place out. It's about 4 hours to the south. Challenge. I made it. Cloud cover. Alright, I just learned a very expensive lesson. So when you buy the Shinkansen tickets, they give you three pieces of paper basically. I dropped one getting on the train, and that was the one I used to get in here. So apparently you can't leave unless you have that piece of paper at all. I had to buy another one, same price, and then hope someone finds the other one and then I get a refund within a year. So if you don't want to pay for the same train twice, make sure you don't lose that piece of paper. Now let's go find the hotel. right, this is definitely much different than what we had before. Whew. All right, let's take a shower. But before a shower, the gym seems like a good idea. This is a nice gym. I'm really happy with this. This was definitely missing from the adventure. Let's lift some weights and meet. Well, all right, what a good workout. I'm digging this gym, very much missed that. Let's go find some food. All right, so I don't talk about this like a lot, but this was really, really good. So Midtown Barbecue in Nagoya, really good. Highly recommend you try this out. All right, dessert has been found, but not exactly what I was looking for. Let's do some work. Well, all right, now that some work has been done, it's time for dinner. Also, I had a chance to watch my latest video from my brother about our Pacific Northwest adventure. It's really good, so I just want to encourage you guys to check that out. Let's get some food. So in the long list of times the internet has lied about the hours, this place is closed. So let's go find something else. That's funny. Moving crab. The search for food continues. Oh, dinner was achieved, so it must be time for more work. Good morning. It's what day is it? It's Thursday, September the something. September the 26th here in Japan. And I just wanted to talk about how always talk to the locals. Like last night I was walking around, one of my other friends knows a local here, so he put me in contact and I just found out a whole bunch of information, like where I'm walking for breakfast. So talk to the locals, find all the good spots. Maybe you'll get good breakfast. Let's go get some. That's just funny. So that's what this is, Science Museum. Cool. Still looking for food though. So that was pretty difficult. I finally just gave up because I'm so hungry for meat on a stick. But check this out. Comes in this little tiny cute packet of spicy mustard and ketchup. All right, let's eat something and get some work done. That was really good. So I got green curry, chicken green curry, and ice cream for like 1,100 yen. So it's about $9. It's really good here. All right, let's go back to work again. So the workday is done. It's Thursday, the 26th of September. It's time to go look out another cool thing in this city. So let's go find that. tower that I heard about. Talk to locals, man. Find all the good stuff. Let's go find some food. Look at this thing. I know people who would lose their minds at this store. So it's good food. Let's take a moment to talk about how you eat here. So when you go to restaurants, you pay up front. You don't pay the server. Also, if you don't know how to use chopsticks, you should learn before you come to Japan, because pretty much it's all chopsticks. Also, it's more coin than paper. So if you're from America, you know, most of it's like, you know, you have a dollar bill. You don't have that here. Like the smallest bill is like a 10. Everything else is change. So with all that amazing fun food, let's go ahead and close part 7 of the Asia-Alaska adventure. I'll catch you guys in the next part. Bye. Welcome.